Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily embed Instagram feed in your WordPress website. So firstly, log in your WordPress website dashboard. Now here guys you have to hover cursor to plugins, add new. Now search here plugin as mesh. You will see as mesh balloon social photo feed. Click on install now. Just click on install now. Then click on activate. Now scroll down and click on settings. Now here add connected Instagram accounts. So click on add source. Now click on login with Instagram. Then allow. Now your Instagram is connected. Now here click on save changes. Now once you connected successfully, save changes. Now here click on all feeds. Now in this board, create your feed, connect your Instagram account and choose a feed type. Select user timeline. Then select one or more feed types. You can add or remove them later. So user timeline, fetch posts from your Instagram profile. Then click on next. Connect an account to show post for it. Click on add source. Now select your account, then click on add. Then click on next. Now wait for a few seconds. Here guys you can customize your feed. Here are some customized settings like you can change feed layout. You have some more options if you have pro version. Feed height, padding, number of posts you want to show here. In desktop and mobile. In you can change column here. Then click on save. Now hover cursor to pages, click on add new, open a new tab, type here Instagram, click on this plus icon and in this list find out Instagram feed. This one, select it. Then click on publish. Again click on publish. That's it. So this way guys you can easily embed Instagram feed in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.